recognize wewe ndio rais wetu. Sasa Mheshimiwa Rais, let me tell you what I wanted to say on the phone. I told a friend of mine, if William Ruto doesn't fix Kenya, who can? If you have been in this government the longest. You are with President Moi, you are with President Kibaki, you've been with President Uhuru, now you are yourself. Surely, my president. The issues you hear, many of us, na wale wengine, Your Excellency, skianga when I'm on TV and I comment about you and Honorable Gachagua, they think I'm being unfair to you, I'm attacking you. My job is to oversight the government at the national level. So even when I will tell you, Your Excellency, the mistakes, I will also tell you, thank you for the good work that you're doing. Number two, when you came to Nyantrago, nilikuambia I was not happy. Kuliwa na shida, Osoro, wanachapana na Simba, Simba ananigonga, nagonga Monda, Monda anagonga nani? Your Excellency, these young men have agreed to work together and I'm very proud. And I know you have been calling them privately. And I know how hard you've worked. Kwa sababu wote ni kichwa ngumu. So I want to announce here today, and I also, Your Excellency, want to say this. Your Lordship Bishop, thank you, sir. I know how much effort you've made to make sure that these young leaders can come together, reason together, stay peaceful, make sure we build our community. I want to tell my brothers who are here, especially Mheshimiwa Osoro and the young leaders, this is the first time that our community made a generational change. Please don't disappoint our people. Work together, learn to forgive each other, laugh at each other when you make silly mistakes. And all of you, this is the president we have now. We will work with you, sir. I'll work with you. I have no personal disagreements with you. But I will also tell you when things are going wrong. Because my job at the Senate is to oversight you and oversight my Governor Simba Arati. Governor Arati, thank you for calling me. Thank you for agreeing for us to talk with each other. I wish you the best. I will support you at the Senate. And everybody from our community has been wanting Kisii community to work as a team. Na ndo mwana wa Arati